Okay, good morning for your daily COVID-19 update from Manitowoc County. Happy to report we still have 0 confirmed cases in the county. But as I've been saying for the last few days, really what that means is we have 0 confirmed cases that have been tested and tested positive, and that test result has come back. So there's a good chance we do have cases in the county that just haven't been identified through testing. Really because the only people being tested or the people being tested are those that are very, very ill and are hospitalized. And we just haven't seen that yet in the county, which is still a good thing. So what I want to touch on a couple of things this morning. It's Monday, which means a lot of people are going back to work. So just a reminder, if you were feeling sick over the weekend, feeling sick this morning, you absolutely need to stay home from work. If you already went into work this morning and you're just hearing this now and you're thinking, man, I really am a little bit sick, please go home. Again, because we're not testing every single person that has mild symptoms, we really need to treat any kind of upper respiratory illness or respiratory illness as if we might have it. And we need to isolate ourselves, go home, not go out in public, keep our 6-foot distance from others. And really that applies to everybody, not just if you're at work or going home from work. A good way to look at this is not, I'm going to try and avoid getting it. But in many ways, you kind of have to treat yourself, even if you're feeling well, you have to treat yourself as if you might have it. And you want to try and prevent spreading it to others. It's a different way of looking at it, but I think it's a helpful way of looking at it as to why we really only should be going out to the grocery stores. We really should only be going to the pharmacies to get essential things. Again, not hoarding things, but just to limit the number of trips and to only go out when essential to get those items. We really, really need to take that seriously. We need to band together as a community to do that. Even though places may still be open, we still have some retail that may be open. That doesn't mean you should be going. We're really asking people to limit their time out in public to essential trips only and to work for those of us that still have to report to the office or report to our manufacturer. And I just wanted to close on that note about work. If you are still having to go to work and you're observing things that maybe could be done a little bit different to increase that social distance, 6-foot distance, if you're observing things that maybe could be sanitized more frequently and aren't being, please speak up. It's everybody's responsibility to speak up, talk to your supervisor, say, hey, could we modify this process maybe to make it a little bit safer and prevent the spread of COVID-19. It's all of our responsibility. We all need to speak up. We all need to stay home and keep that social distance. If we do that together, we can win.